Hi, this is your friend Nitin. Welcome to my channel, Progressive Nitin. Today, I'm going to talk about two words, perfection and vulnerable. So let's begin. Many times, people feel that they need to do their work in a most perfect way. Suppose they are giving any presentation, they want to have it most effective presentation. Suppose they want to communicate any message to the group of people, they want to make it most effective message. Or suppose they are solving any business problem or technical problem, they want to give most perfect solution to that problem. Perfection is a myth. You need to keep on doing same activity again and again so that you will be better in that activity over the period of time. Take example of learning Python. Suppose you want to start learning Python. So the first thing you need to do, write first program which will be imperfect program, error program. Then keep on learning and keep on adding your learnings to your first piece of Python code so that you will be doing it in a better and better way. Not only that, write such n number of imperfect Python code. Understand the logical flow and algorithm and logical thinking which you need to apply to do the right software development. In this journey of learning, keep on doing imperfect activity so that over the period of time you will be better and better as and when your knowledge gets refreshed. Suppose you are weak in your presentation and communication skills, you need to go and start giving your most imperfect presentation. That will be your first presentation. Don't hesitate and shy in giving your first presentation. Go with all fear and don't bother what will be the outcome of that first presentation. Another example, which most of the people, those who are from vernacular medium face, suppose you don't know your English and you want to improve your English, the first thing you need to do, start speaking your English. I know when you will start speaking your English first time, when you are from vernacular medium, people will make fun of your English. They will laugh at you, but you don't need to bother about that part. Believe me, over the period of time, down the 1 year, 2 years, you will find speaking very good English. And one of the best example right now speaking with you. So keep on doing imperfect activities. And that is where my second keyword comes into the picture. Be vulnerable. Do the things with complete fear and let people opinion about it. Let them criticize you. Don't bother about their comment. Being vulnerable is your first step toward the mastery of your imperfect journey. In short, do things with complete fear by being vulnerable and the most imperfect version of yourself. That is the first step towards the mastery of excellence. You know that. Everybody falls first time. So, master the art of excellence, not perfection, by starting the journey of imperfection. Hope this video will encourage you to do the thing starting with the most imperfect way, and slowly you will achieve the excellence of that particular piece of art. If you like this story, please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Progressive Knitting. Thanks for listening.